How to create ease in and ease out animation on CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily create a smooth animation on CapCut. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your CapCut and import your video. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add this picture to my timeline, and then I'm just going to go ahead and adjust its size. So let's say if I want this picture to come up like here and I want to create an animation something like this. What I'm going to do is go all the way to the start of my video, and then here on the start, I'm going to add a keyframe. So click on the picture and then add a keyframe on the position tab. Click on this and it will create a keyframe. Now play the video. After a certain point, you can just go ahead and drag this picture up. Let me just go ahead and drag this one up here like so. I'm just going to go ahead and drag it, something like this. Again, I'm going to play it. After a while, I'm going to drag it again. Again, after a while, I'm going to drag it all the way, something like this. So what I'm going to do now is click on each keyframe and select it. So let's say if I just select this keyframe, right click on it, and from here, I'm going to show variable speed animation. It will show us this graph. So click on the first keyframe right here. And then after doing this, you'll be able to create a graph for this. Click on this preset curves, and you're gonna use the ease in animation like this on each one of them. As you can see here, all of this will change the shape of the curve. So all of these presets will change the shape of the curve and how the picture will be animated. So you can choose this according to your need. Here is ease in and ease out. You can also do quad in, cubic in. It's totally up to you. And that's how you easily create ease in or out animation on CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.